Hey guys, I'm Jonathan Mazer from Jacksonville, Florida. Just wanted to show you guys my ISO bag, which Bentley, my Bulldog, loves too. So it's a pretty cool design bag. Oh, we'll grab onto that. It actually has a really cool like graphic, like camo style to it. So it's a pretty stylish bag. As you can see, it says ISO bag right here, Isolator Fitness. And here you got your ISO packs, which keep all your food cold. So that way you can kind of, keep it without having to put it in the fridge. You can kind of keep an eye on it. Let's go ahead and zip this thing up. Put that in there. And as you can see, this is where you put your food at. I got one of my little ISO. So you can see it's got tons of room. I love this because I like to take my meals with me and I don't like to put them in a fridge where I work at, because then you don't have to worry about people, taking your food. You can kind of keep a nice eye on it. You can take it to the gym. You can leave it in your car. It's going to keep your food cold and fresh. And as you can see, it's made in the USA. It's a really nice size. Let's twist it around. And you can carry it a couple ways. So if you want to carry it like that, or whether you want to hold it like that, it's a really cool design. It's still not too bulky. You could put like a cup right in here. So it's definitely pretty smart how they designed it. Really nice quality, really stylish. Probably the best bag out there that you can get. If you guys want to see on here too, really nice like handles and everything, but it definitely gets the job done if you're trying to, for 2020, eat a lot healthier. This is the first step.